Hola DIY Delphins. Today we're going to be taking a taste test on this almond malk, M-E-L-K, not M-I-L-K, malk, and this flavor is chocolate. And the due date on it is not till November, so apparently this stuff preserves rather well. Almond malk. It tastes thinner. It's a thinner product, like milk. And I guess if you're an almond fan, it tastes like almonds. So it's aptly named. And it's not bad. It's something different. I probably wouldn't mind putting this in my cereal. Because almonds are okay, they're good for you. And then you got the chocolate flavor. So yeah, I've had several sips of this to get an idea about it. It seems alright. It's like it's got the texture of milk. And it's got the taste of chocolate. You think that malt sounds like malt, and I thought, well, you know, chocolate malt, but it's not. It's the almond taste, and it's the milk part of it. Also, noticing here on the package is that it's organic, and on the back of the package, there's a whole bunch of things, I presume, good things that they're saying about this product. Let's see. Gum-free. That's unusual. You call a product gum-free. I didn't know that gum found its way into milk, but apparently it's some sort of issue. And non-GMO. It's another thing. It's only got 5 ingredients, so there you've done pretty well there too. It's nice, simple, simply fixed, simply prepared, and so there it is. Almond malk, M-A-L-K, malk, 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 malk.
So they stole my memory.